All right, example 1 in section 1.2, pre-calculus 20 here. It says this: male fireflies flash in various patterns to signal locations or to ward off predators. So here's a firefly right here. Different species of fireflies have different flash characteristics, such as the intensity of the flash, the rate of the flash, the shape of the flash. Suppose that under certain circumstances a particular firefly flashes twice in the first minute, 4 times in the second minute, and 6 times in the third minute. If the pattern continues, what's the number of flashes in the 30th minute? Okay, this one you can just use intuition. Remember, there's some logical reasoning that you can do for a lot of this stuff. Sometimes you want to revert to your formula. Sometimes you maybe don't need to. We could probably recognize a pattern here, right? We've got 2 times in the first minute. We've got 4 times in the second minute. We've got 6 times in the third minute. So we're going, like, this is position 1, this is position 2, this is position 3. It looks like we're just doubling the number each time, right? Does that make sense? So on the 30th minute, how many flashes will there be? 60. Yeah, 60. Okay? So that's just logical reasoning there for A. You can just figure out 60 pretty quick. You can also use the formula, though. So you could do this. You could go T of 30 equals, the first term is 2 plus, what's n? Well, that's 30 minus 1. And the difference here, we could easily calculate as 2. So this, when you do this, 29 times 2 plus 2, that's going to be 60, right? So you could do logical reasoning or using the formula. All right, B. What is the total number of flashes in 30 minutes? So here now we are definitely talking about a series, right? So we're going 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus all the way to, 60. So we could use either one of the formulas that we've already studied, right? And we're just going to pick one. Shh, quiet back there, please. We're going to pick one. So we know the last term in this series. We know the first term in the series. We know the number of terms in the series. Okay. So is this going to be okay if we do this? We do uses Gauss's method, which is the first one. So let's do this. I guess n over 2 times t1 plus t of n. So the sum of the first 30 terms is 30 over 2 times 2 plus 60. So the sum of 30 will be 15 times 62 is 930. Okay? And if you'd like to look in your textbook for a second method, I won't outline it here, but in the textbook it does outline how you could do it using the other formula. All right. So, oh, there we go. So, yeah, right here. So you could use your general term formula and stuff like that as well. Or, sorry, right here. Right here. You could use this one as well. Okay, any questions? All right. All right, so your assignment is as follows. I won't do this example just right now, but here's your assignment that you can begin working on. Get as much of this done as you can for tomorrow. I know I'm not giving you a whole lot of class time to do this, but you'll have to plan for some homework tonight. Yeah, just give me a second.